guys, today what we're going to be doing is this foam tape holder. The file includes all of this. So you're going to have your box that comes with this 3 pieces, as well as this offsets that you can use. They're optional, you don't have to. If you want to decorate your box, you can. I ended up doing this as print and cut. So with that, let's go ahead and start putting this together. It is a very easy file to put together. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and start folding all of my pieces on the fold lines. Now when you upload the file, make sure that you change, it's going to have a couple of score lines, so just make sure you change those cut lines to score lines and attach them before you start cutting. So this is what it's going to look like. And again, this is a very easy file to put together. So the first thing I'm going to do is you're going to have this piece right here. This piece is going to go on top of this section, which is the lid of the box. And if this is optional, you don't have to add it if you don't want to. You don't have to cut it. But this is just going to help reinforce this bend, like this fold right here. Because you're going to be opening and closing the box a lot. Have a lot of wear and tear. And this will help reinforce that. You go ahead and add that to your piece. Now we're going to fold this over, and this tab right here, you're going to add glue to that. Make sure you align everything. Go ahead and open this. Now on these tabs, the smaller ones go in, and then you're going to have a shorter one and a longer one. The shorter one goes in first. And then the top one should cover all of the bottom. Just like that. I'm gonna put that to the side. The file also comes with this little box. It's gonna turn into a box. So just go ahead and fold these little tabs in, the middle ones, and then fold it over. Add glue to the sides. Now with this box, what you're going to use it for is to add weights. Okay, so I use this pebbles, these little glass rocks, and this is just going to add weight to the box so it doesn't topple or fall over. So you're going to close that, and your box is done. Now we can add our decorative pieces. Okay guys, so the last thing you're going to do is add glue to your weighted box. Put it inside, add Velcro to your lid so that it closes. I don't have any, so I won't be doing that today. And then you're done. Your box is done. Thank you for watching.